My position is that everything in the horoscope is predestined and will come to pass. And anything in the horoscope can be changed. Hi, this is David Hawthorne at astroview.com. I want to thank you for your interest in Vedic astrology. We're going to be teaching a class on Vedic astrology using a very specific paradigm called systems approach to interpreting horoscopes. This was developed by Professor V.K. Choudhary in India. It's based on the empirical studies of thousands of charts over 30 years. Systems approach gives very accurate, effortless, relevant, and practical readings. It is based on the functional nature of the planets. For one chart, for one rising sign, Saturn can be a malefic planet, and for another rising sign, it's a benefic planet. And this holds true for all of the planets. Jupiter can be favorable, or it can cause adverse effects, and Venus, and Sun, and Moon, and Mars, etc. So we have to understand first the functional nature of the planet in order to give a precise and accurate reading. We're also going to talk about the most effective point, which is the rising sign degree, and that is applicable to every house in the horoscope. We're also going to talk about the Multracone signs, and this is going to be the key to Vedic astrology. Multracone sign takes precedence, so we're going to go into a lot of that during these course materials. I'm going to teach you the 7 Multracone signs and how to apply them in a horoscope. Essentially, if a Multracone sign falls in one of the 3 inauspicious houses, then that ruler of that sign becomes known as a functional malefic planet. It can cause adverse effects either in the natal chart or in the transit chart. So we will go through the signification of all 7 planets plus Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu, we say, are functional malefics for every chart because they cause the eclipse of the sun and the moon every year since the beginning of time. So if they can bring darkness to the royal luminary planets, they can bring darkness in our lives. But for every rising sign, there's a different set of malefics and benefics. And until astrologers get that correct, then their interpretations are not accurate. So you will learn in this systems approach whether Saturn is a malefic for a rising sign or a benefic. And you'll learn that for every single planet. Fix your chart, fix your life. Fix your chart, fix your life. But this systems approach to Vedic astrology is a very powerful scientific paradigm. You will give accurate readings. Many people will come to you for advice. You can use this for all areas of life, for your health, for your wealth, for relationships, for peace of mind, and purpose of life.